Welcome to our channel, where we make cooking easy and delicious. Today, we have an amazing recipe for you: spaghetti carbonara made with canned spaghetti. Let's get started. First, heat up a pan on medium heat. Take a generous amount of bacon and chop it into small pieces. Add the bacon to the pan and let it cook until crispy. While the bacon is cooking, take a bowl and crack 2 fresh eggs into it. Whisk them well until they are nice and frothy. Now, it's time to add the canned spaghetti. Open the can and drain the excess liquid. Add the spaghetti into the pan with the crispy bacon. Stir it all together to let the flavors combine. Next, take a handful of grated Parmesan cheese and add it to the pan. Give it a good stir to let the cheese melt and coat the spaghetti. Remember to season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. You can also add some chopped parsley for a burst of freshness. Turn off the heat and pour in the whisked eggs. Quickly toss the spaghetti so that the eggs coat the strands and create a creamy sauce. Be careful not to scramble the eggs. And there you have it, a delicious and easy spaghetti carbonara made with canned spaghetti. Serve it hot and enjoy. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy cooking!